Hello dear students. In our last lecture of microbiology part first, we have already started with the chemical composition, function and structure of the cell wall of bacterial cell. So we will continue with that lecture. In our today's session, we are going to see the cell wall which is present in gram positive bacteria as well as cell wall present in the gram negative bacteria. Here in the diagram you can see the whole cell wall components of gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria. So how does this cell wall was identified? In 1884, a scientist named Graham tried to stain the bacterial cell with crystal violet and iodine solution. On washing with alcohol, few bacteria became purple whereas others remained colorless. When these bacteria were counter-stained with the safranin, it was observed that some of the bacteria retained the purple color and other take up the pink color. And the bacteria which take the pink color are called as gram negative bacteria, whereas the bacteria which take the purple color are called as gram positive bacteria. And the bacterial cell wall is not only a protective layer, but it serves as an important purpose of distinguishing the bacteria into two major groups, namely gram positive bacteria and second one is your gram negative bacteria. Now if we will see the differentiation between both the cell walls, if we consider the wall or the cell wall of gram positive bacteria, it is slightly with the simple chemical structure as compared to the gram negative bacteria. Now first we will see the gram positive cell wall. Gram positive cell wall is thick, measuring about 15 to 20 nanometers. Cell wall gram positive bacteria की जो होती है, it is around 15 to 80 nanometers and more homogeneous compared to gram negative cell wall. And this cell wall consists of large amount of peptidoglycan arranged in several layers. Around 40 to 80% or near about 50% of the dry weight of cell wall is of the peptidoglycan layer. सेल वॉल ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया की होती है, उसमें नियर अबाउट 50% पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन का लेयर प्रेजेंट होता है. देन दिस ग्राम पॉजिटिव सेल वॉल इट ऑल्सो कंसिस्ट ऑफ पॉलीसेकेराइड्स एंड टिकोइक एसिड और teichoic acid. Along with this acid, gram positive cell wall also consists of neutral sugars and acidic sugars which occurs as a subunit of the polysaccharides. These polysaccharides are linked with the peptidoglycan that can be with hot HCl. In the presence of hot HCl, these polysaccharides linked with the peptidoglycan layer. For example, in the Streptococcus pyogenes, the polysaccharide layers can be easily extracted by using hot hydrochloric acid. Then teichoic acid. Now these teichoic acid are the polymers of polyribitol phosphate and polyglycerol phosphate containing ribitol and glycerol. These polymers may have sugars or amino acid subunits either as a side chain or within the side chain. ये जो टिकॉइक एसिड होता है, ये टिकॉइक एसिड इज मेड अप ऑफ राइबिटॉल और ग्लिसरॉल फॉस्फेट. And these teichoic acid helps the bacteria to prevent with the help of thermal injury. अगर हीट ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होती है, then due to increase in the heat of the environment, the bacteria may get damage. So to prevent the bacterial cell, the teichoic acid present in the cell wall helps to remain cool or protect the cell from the thermal injury. Okay, this was all about the gram positive cell wall. Then we will see the gram negative cell wall. Now if we consider the gram negative cell wall, it is more complex as compared to the ग्राम पॉजिटिव सेल वॉल. ग्राम पॉजिटिव की जो सेल वॉल होती है वो सिंपल होती है एज कंपेयर टू द ग्राम नेगेटिव सेल वॉल इन इट्स कंपोजिशन. द अमाउंट ऑफ पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन इज ऑल्सो लेस in gram negative cell wall as compared to gram positive. Then it contains the outer membrane that surrounds the layer of peptidoglycan and has the higher content of the lipids present in the cell wall. Near about 11 to 22% of lipids are present inside the cell wall of gram negative bacteria. And outside the peptidoglycan layer, three main components are present in gram negative cell wall, which contains lipoprotein layer, outer membrane and lipopolysaccharides, which helps or which provides a proper structure to the cell wall of gram negative bacteria. Okay. Now here if you see the diagram and proper characteristic of gram negative as well as gram positive bacteria, you will see that in the thickness of the cell wall of gram positive cell is near about 15 to 18 nanometers. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, यहाँ जो ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया की सेल वॉल है उसमें पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन लेयर ज़्यादा होता है एज कंपेयर टू ग्राम नेगेटिव. सो उसकी थिकनेस भी ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया की थिकनेस ज़्यादा होती है एज कंपेयर टू द ग्राम नेगेटिव सेल वॉल. सो the thickness of the cell wall in gram positive bacteria is near about 15 to 80 nanometers and in gram negative bacteria it is only 2 nanometers. If we consider the lipid contents, the lipid content in the gram positive cell wall is only 2 to 5%. On the other hand, in gram negative cell wall, the lipid content which is present is near about 15 to 20%. As we have seen earlier, in gram-positive bacteria, the teichoic acid is present, which helps the bacterial cell from the thermal injury. But in gram-negative bacteria, the teichoic acid is absent. Then if we see the amino acid variety, in gram-positive bacteria, we have seen that only few or only 4 different types of amino acids are present. But in gram-negative cell wall, the different or several number of amino acids may be present. Okay, so this was all about the structure and chemical composition of the cell wall and the difference between gram-positive bacterial cell wall and gram-negative bacterial cell wall. Thank you.